UI and UX shape how users experience your product. Great design makes products intuitive, usable, and enjoyable, while poor design drives users away. For startups, UI/UX is a growth driver, not decoration. User experience focuses on how a product feels to use. It includes usability, flow, clarity, accessibility, and how easily users achieve their goals. User interface is how the product looks and responds. It includes layout, colors, typography, buttons, icons, and visual feedback that guide user actions. UX defines how the product works. UI defines how the product looks. Both must work together to create a smooth and effective user experience. User-centered design puts real users at the center of decisions. Startups must understand user needs, behaviors, and pain points before designing solutions. Wireframes show layout and structure without visuals. Prototypes simulate interaction. Both help test ideas early before investing in development. Information architecture organizes content logically. Clear navigation and structure help users find what they need quickly and easily. Consistency builds trust and reduces confusion. Visual hierarchy guides attention using size, spacing, contrast, and alignment, helping users know what to do next. Good UI/UX is inclusive, designed for accessibility, readability, and responsiveness across devices, desktop, tablet, and mobile. Common mistakes include cluttered screens, unclear navigation, poor contrast, and ignoring user feedback. Simple, tested designs perform better than complex assumptions. To build better UI/UX, research users, map user journeys, create wireframes, build prototypes, test with real users, iterate continuously. Strong UI/UX turns products into experiences users love. For startups, good design increases adoption, retention, and long-term success.